when it all goes good is when it all goes wrong. It's like you can't change the movement of the waves, they're too strong. But so am I, so where does that put me? In the middle of the ocean where I guess I should be. And if forgiveness is what I